Hello and namaste to everybody. I'm out here for my training hike, and ever since I left my house in the morning today, this one question has been lingering in my mind, and इसी question का layer by layer खोलने की कोशिश कर रहा था to understand the depths of it. And suddenly a realization hit me and I thought that I want to make this video. The question is, why do I climb mountains? Well, there is no one singular answer to it which I can say in this video and make you absolutely understand. No, it is just not possible. But one of the main reasons I would say why I like climbing mountains, आज मुझे समझ में आया. And I recall, in my speeches, on my social media, people, when they ask me this question, why I climb mountains, मैं हमेशा उनको कहता हूँ कि I feel very peaceful, I feel very blissful, and I feel absolutely comfortable within myself. There is nowhere I'd rather be when I'm climbing mountains. Like, ये बातें तो मैं करता था, लेकिन एक्सपीरियंशियली मुझे ये कभी समझ में नहीं आया था कि what actually happens within which makes me feel like this. Yes, I was feeling like this since the age of 15 when I go into the mountains. When I went for the first time in the mountains at the age of 15, I remember for the first time in the 15 years of my life, I felt absolutely at home. And I knew that I wanted this feeling more and more often. And इसी चीज़ को मुझे समझने में 9 साल लगे, बट इंटेलेक्चुअली मालूम था, बट एक्सपीरियंशियली मालूम होना कुछ और बात होती है. एब्सोल्युटली जो हमारे लाइफ के 4 डायमेंशंस है, द 4 डायमेंशंस इन विच द लाइफ दैट वी आर हैपन्स, फिजिकली, मेंटली, इमोशनली एंड एनर्जेटिकली. इसको आप कह सकते हो स्पिरिचुअली. For most people, in most moments of our lives, these 4 dimensions are not in sync. Physically we are somewhere, mentally we are somewhere, either in the past or either in the future. There is nowhere we are most of the times. Emotionally, because of the mindset, because of the mental state, we are somewhere else. And energetically, spiritually, this dimension for most people is of an unconscious nature. It is not come into most people's conscious being. तो वो तो अपने आप ही कहीं पे हो रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है. So these 4 dimensions were never in sync for most people. And when these 4 dimensions are not in sync, a lot of friction will happen within. जिसको आप बहुत सारे नाम दे सकते हो: stress, anxiety, anger, jealousy, even depression. Like मुझे बहुत लोग गाली दे गए ये सुन के, लेकिन even depression is because these 4 dimensions of your life are not happening in your control. Everybody needs a tool to ये 4 dimensions को अपने हाथ में ले. उसके लिए एक साधन चाहिए लोगों को हमेशा. It works better that way, and for me that tool is trekking, is climbing mountains. When I am climbing mountains, when I am putting one step in front of the other, all these 4 dimensions, physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually, I am nowhere else but here and here. And जब भी ये 4 states एकदम sync में चल रहा हो, there is a very profound sense of balance. There is a very profound sense of clarity. There is a very profound sense of bliss and peace within yourself. And once you've hit that gold mine within you, oh, you want it again and again. And that's when I realized, and आज मैं इस वीडियो के थ्रू ये बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम बी इन प्रेजेंट, बी माइंडफुल, ये सब बातें तो करते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ तक पहुँचने का एक बहुत ही इफेक्टिव तरीका है. आप चाहे जो भी काम करते हो, दिन में कोई भी एक 10 से 15 मिनट के टास्क से शुरू करो ये काम, ठीक है? चाहे वो झाड़ू मारना हो घर पे, और बी इट कुकिंग, बी इट एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट यू प्ले, बी इट पेंटिंग, be it anything you like, for that period of time try to be absolutely involved. And once you learn to do one task with absolutely involvement, जब भी आप एक टास्क को पूरी तरह से अपना 100% देके करना सीख जाओगे, तो धीरे धीरे बाकी के टास्क्स भी you'll be 100%, not absolutely 100% initially, but you'll be more and more aware, more and more present, more and more involved towards anything in life that you do. And when in life you do something with absolutely involvement, पूरा उसमें डूब के डिवोशन से काम करते हो किसी भी चीज पे, तो एक्सटर्नली भी आउटकम आएगा एंड इंटरनली भी आउटकम आना ही आना है. एंड दिस इज द ओनली वे, this is the only and only way to be permanently anchored within the center of yourself and be peaceful, be balanced. Rather than peaceful, I would say being balanced is much more important. So yes, मुझे बस यही बात कहनी थी आप लोगों से. And yes, 123 days left for my Annapurna expedition. Today is Sunday, my long morning, long training day. I'll be heading back down. So just a question, and this is how I try to resolve most issues of my life, most questions in my life, not by asking somebody, but by asking myself, and let the question become so intense within myself कि उसका आंसर अपने आप निकल के आए. And yeah, this is why I like climbing mountains, that this is my tool, this is my sadhan. Trekking is my sadhana towards what's the word, towards becoming the best that I can be. Find that tool, find that sadhan, find your sadhana, and yeah, something magical will happen. So thank you so much for watching this video. गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग, गुड नाइट, जहाँ भी हो, जब भी देख रहे हो. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.